Welcome to First Class International Trading Signals channel, trading the right way wherever you are. My name is S and I'll be your host today. I hope you've been enjoying the programs for the last month. Please subscribe to my channels to make sure you get up-to-date information every week and every month. So what's new for this week? Well, last week there was a slight error in the date section of the week. That's been amended. It should not make any difference to yourselves. And also weekly signals can be used at any time of the year, not just in the same weeks. The trades are longer term. The signals are not computer generated. This means the analysis is my work only 100%. So what you can do is say you missed a signal in week 4 and we came in week 8, you can still technically use the signal of week 4 because the support and resistance areas etc. Are weeks apart. So the price sometimes can retrace in the same area and bounce back or reverse etc. So you can use them throughout the year, whereas on the intraday signals or they're within minutes or hours, few hours. Obviously that's a different method. You can get several signals in a day for the same instrument or product, so that's the difference compared to weekly signals. And also the signals here, like some other brokers, they're not computer generated, so I've done them personally myself 100%, and this is why it's quite important you subscribe to the channel, because the work is my own work. Also, you'll find a short version of trading signals on YouTube Shorts from next month. So if you haven't got time and you're on the go, you could go on there to get the signals, but there will be no verbal technical analysis. It'll just be more of a screen print there with the data on, and also it will be available at later dates, such as on other areas, say TikTok, so I might do some on there as well later on, and other platforms. So just a reminder, it's been a month now that a blue candlestick is bullish and red is bearish, but that is different to a buy and sell market, of course. And this week's programs unfortunately were slightly delayed due to unforeseen reasons. So that was just to recap here. So we'll just move on to the next screen and let's get into the signals now. Just to make you aware, as always, the key for all the products using wire trading charts, it's available on every program, but I'll quickly run through it again. Buy is purchase product, sell is sell the product, range is buy or sell to a predetermined area, and hold the product remains open. Just as a quick appraisal there. So this week what we've got, what we're looking at international stocks and shares. So we're in week 5, and that is the week commencing 17th of June, and it's the signals, obviously that the signals were posted at 9 a.m. so that's when the signals were done, and of course we're based in the UK. Okay, and as always, the signal strength, gold's very strong, silver is strong, and bronze is good. Okay, so we'll just get into the first signal. So the first stock we're looking at is Procter and Gamble, and that we've got a sell on that. The signal strength is silver, and as you can see there, the chart is self-explanatory. It's approaching resistance, so the price should reverse when he approaches that resistance level. So we'll just move on to the next chart. Okay, so the next one we've got is Ferrari, which is a buy, and that's a gold. The signal strength is gold there, as you can see on the weekly chart. So we've I recommend the technical analysis, like you can see there. There's a bit of a downward weekly bar there, but there's been a lot of bounce back in the price, so it's going more into a range sort of scenario. So you can buy that on a bully dailish candle. So we've got entry point, exit, and a stop loss. Duration of is the weekly candle. Just to make you aware, as you can see in the charts, there's been slight changes. So what I've done is, in the last week, I've simplified the chart. So what you'd see, you won't see a date up there and date and time. You'll see it on the weekly header. That's just slight change there for you, but the rest of it is more or less the same thing basically. Also this week we'll also go through some live charts, not live charts, but we get you to show the screenshots on bigger pictures as well, just to mix it up, just to make it more interactive with yourself. So we'll just move on to the next screen. Okay, so we've got AO World PLC, and that is a sell, and the signal strength is silver. So we're looking for you to sell on a pullback. So you can see some lines there. So the lines, they show you the entry points, so and they also show the exit point for you, where to get out, and also a stop loss as well. So I mean, just for namesake, I can just show you that. Not for namesake, but we could show you that on a live chart. So I'll just take you to a live platform, and we'll just show you. There it is. So we've got real full screen set up here, so we're just going to there, so you'll be able to see what I'm talking about there. So you can see there on that chart there. So they're looking to sell off that pull bar, and there you can see a stop on the daily candles. So basically, if you just look at your signal there, so the entry point we've got is 108.89, and the exit point is 191. So I show you there. So there's the entry point there. You can see it on there, and the exit point's down here. So as you can see on this is a daily chart here. So as you can see there, the price, there's a lot of buying, selling. Oh, it was moving up slightly, but it's on the way back down now. So that's why we've got an entry. So we've got an entry point around there, and that is your profit target, which is on bottom of the range. And then we've just set the stop loss above there to a previous high, just to make sure you've got a good area there. In that gap, you've got a good area there for you, to make sure the price, when it may pull back, but it'll go back down there. So this is something new I bought in this week. We will at times go through some charts with you there. So that's that one done. We'll just move on to the next chart pattern. So the next one we've got is, just get that up. We've just been through that. We'll just get the next one up here. Okay, so we're looking at Airbus, and that's a buy, and that's silver. And the technical analysis, as you can see, the entry exit points, and this is self-explanatory for you. Like I said, at the end of each program, so I'll put these back on for you so you can take a note or take a picture. So this one's a buy and a support area on a weekly candlestick. So this week I'll be doing a special program that'll be on candlesticks. It's essential that you learn how to trade with candlesticks. So I'll just show you this on a chart. If you just bear with me, we just get this on a chart for you as well, which was so we've got it there. I'll just check what. So it was a buy, and yeah, so that's what we're doing here. Is we're looking. It's safe. It's more longer term. This, as you can see in the daily channel, it's quite far away. So we're looking to buy it around that region once the price goes there. If I just get the weekly chart up and show you there, the price is probably, if it breaks through there, it'll come down here. But once it comes down there, there's a lot of support in that area, so you can continue to buy that price, and it can go up to, previously back up to that level to more, it may form a head and shoulder pattern, but this is more long term, so it's a safer buy long term for yourself. So we'll just move on to the next one now. So okay, so we're looking at Beidou. That's a buy. So this is obviously the Chinese stocks. Once again, you've got the details there. So we're looking to buy it. These are conservative sort of buys. So we're just looking to buy at a weekly low. So I'll just show you that on a chart how it will be. On a bigger chart. I hope you're enjoying this new interaction method, which is rather than just using the signals on a screen snapshot, we're actually going through some of the charts as things get long, especially for new traders or those learning to trade. These sort of interactions quite good, so you can pick up a lot of stuff. So we've got a downward trend there, as you can see under this is a weekly chart. So we've got a downward trend. So once that downward trend will finish, it'll come around here from there, and that's where you look to re-enter the market again. So there's a stop loss under there, so we hope the market will retrace back towards that side over longer term, reverse back up. So that's on that market. We're looking to catch longer term trading, so that's why we're not really looking to re-enter into a short term trend. So we're looking for longer term trends with much simpler investments. Okay, so we'll just move over to the next slide. So we've got Zalando SE. So on that one we're looking to sell on a pullback. So I'll just show you. The signal strength is silver. So let's have a look on the chart. So I'll just get a daily one up instead of the weekly chart so you can see it there. So basically, yeah, so what we're looking is when the price pulls back. When the price pulls back, reverses back up, because it's making lower lows on the daily channel. So it's making lower, there it is, one low, two low, and then it's reversed and it's gone back again. So when that price reverses up in this area, we're expecting it to price to dip again. So we put stop there in that area as well. So that's where this chart is coming. Just bear with me. That's where that came from on that chart. So that's all these signals. As you can see, this week there's been more signals. There's been more signals than last week. So there's been 6 signals we've done here. So 6 signals. So there's been 6 signals we've done here. 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 So there's been 6 signals we've d So that was it for this week. What I'll do, I hope you enjoyed all them signals that I've done today. So what I'll do is I'll get the signals back on for you, so you can make a note for them for this week. So I hope you enjoyed this week's program in this area. So I hope you enjoyed this week's program in this area and the additions that I've done for you. So we've got more interactive charting, so it's going to get much more exciting. Get you used to the entry areas, exit areas on charts on the platform, so you can see it rather than a snapshot. So there's going to be quite more changes in the coming months as the channel picks up, but I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you subscribe to my channel in earnest. We need more. I need more subscribers. We need more subscribers on, so we keep in regular touch. Also, in the next program that'll be coming up, that'll be on Forex, and I hope you stay tuned. So that's enough for today. Thanks. Bye.